Hello, welcome back. In today's video we are going to be going through my Boxycharm Premium for this month of July. I had no idea that this was an Anastasia collab. I did choose an Anastasia palette for it. I had no idea it's a collab, but anyways, my name is Kristen. I'm a lover of colorful makeup, wrestling, and Rocky Horror. And yes, today we're going to open up this box. So as soon as I opened it earlier, I was like, wait, what's going on? It's purple. And then I saw, yes, Boxycharm and Norvina Anastasia Beverly Hills. So that's how I found out that it was a collab. Okay, it actually comes with a coupon code too. Buy one, get one 50% off at AnastasiaBeverlyHills.com. Use code ABHXBOXY. Yes, so like I said, I already opened this because I just figured I'd look inside beforehand, but so there's the palette I got. I'll show you that last. Yeah, so I did get all ABH products. Hi Johnny, I love you. Okay, so we have this Anastasia Beverly Hills waterproof cream color. This is in the color Jet Black. What is this? And this says waterproof cream color by Anastasia Beverly Hills is a full pigment cream color that provides high coverage and precise definition. This waterproof blendable formula blends easily and dries down to a matte finish that won't budge or run. Ideal for shadow or liner application. Well, I tell you, that'll come in handy at Rocky Horror. There we go, there's the cap. Honestly, I have a few products like this. They're not waterproof, but I'm not even gonna probably open almost any of these. Okay, the next thing I'm grabbing is a loose highlighter in the color Vegas. Okay, so we got a cute glitter colorful top. I don't like gold, so I'm not gonna open it. Maybe I'll use this for a giveaway or something in a little while. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out, this is a liquid lipstick in Ashton, and I'm not even gonna open that either. But there's the color. I have so many lipsticks. I don't need that. Then we have a brow definer triangular brow pencil in ebony. This looks like it's double tipped. Oh, okay. So we got a spoolie on one end. Yeah, it sure is black. And it's super drying. Yeah, I put it on my hand a little bit. That might actually work out. I don't know. I don't even know if you can see that. That might work for me when I dye my hair black, whenever that happens. Okay, and then we got a loose setting powder. And I already have so many of these as well, not this particular brand. The packaging is nice. This is kind of like that matte but rubbery feeling type of, yeah, packaging. And then there's the inside. Okay, and then the big thing we got was, of course, the palette. And this is what the outside looks like. Cardboard on the inside. Alright, there we go. Even though it has butterflies on it, kind of the packaging reminds me of Halloween. Oh, okay, so this is my first ABH palette, I think. So we had a sheet protector. And it has a nice big mirror on the inside. And that's what we got for the color story. I like these greens in it. It's a very, very bold palette. Cool. Alright. Okay, so that palette normally costs $60. The loose setting powder normally costs $38. The loose highlighter normally costs $25. The brow definer pencil normally costs $23. The liquid lipstick normally costs $20, and that waterproof cream color normally costs $18. Now again, this is my Boxycharm Premium makeup subscription box, so it's only $35 a month. And for products, I could use all these products. That is a steal. Except for that brow definer. Because, I don't know, it barely looks like it got on my hand at all. But, again, that might work for me, I don't know. I haven't actually tried it on my brows yet. But, yeah, worth it. Worth it. So I can't wait to use that eyeshadow palette. I'm not today because I just came in from going to Costco. So I'm going to do a little vlog about that some other time. But also today we got to go out and mow the lawn, do some other things around the house. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching this little unboxing. Again, I'm not going to use these products because I already have products that are open. I'm already using products in my project pan. But I'm glad that I got these. So yeah, let me know down below what you think of this box, this collab with Anastasia Beverly Hills, Norvina, whatever, and Boxycharm. The last time I got a collab like this was the Fenty box, and that was cool too. I think I could use all the products in that one. So yeah, I think they really hit a home run with this. So yes, let me know down below what you think. Let me know down below what you chose, because there was another palette you could have chosen, which was like the purpley one. But yeah, I like that color story. That's very cool. So yeah. So anyways, I will see you tomorrow, because I'm a daily uploader. I'm a crazy ass and I post every single day. Talk to you later. Bye.